All right, the story on this one is, it's an Airbnb. They rent it out. Somebody put the lock on backwards. You cannot get to the key, so they want me to cut off the lock and put a new one on. I got a new lock right there for them. I'm using a grinder, grind it off. Ooh, I'm gonna have to cut that top part too. Where'd that piece go? I don't even know. It's pretty hot, so we gotta find it and toss it out. Yep, there it is. Got my super duty gloves on. Oh, we can't even get that out still. What do we do now? Oh, that's dumb. I guess I gotta cut it over here too. Shit. Didn't charge her enough. How did they get this in there? That's the real question. Don't know. Get to that point. I know what to do. I know what to do. All right, there we go.